here we are with my first review, and we're doing it on a display. Yep. Let me put the camera here. You see the entire thing right there. So this, on the other side, these move. This moves up. Then this moves here, and then this moves down. Ah, shoot. Yeah, it's the same thing on the other side. So, we'll probably see a stop motion soon with this in it. Okay. There. Then you got this that comes off. Then these that open. Gonk Droid. There. Then up towards the front you have this that moves with a place for a person to sit. There's this on the back. What I don't like is this. I have no idea how it even sticks. There. The front actually has like this. You can see like the entire thing. That's gonna do a wrap or something. I don't know. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also, sorry about the noise in these videos like that. See you in the next one. Bye.